All right, I am on 5th Terrace in Pleasant Grove. So, a little history on Pleasant Grove. Apparently, it is a highly desirable area that houses do not come up for sale very often. The provider has said that if more came up, he would love to grab more, but they do not come up all that often. So, here's a little look at the street. So, here's the house. This is really a great street. You can't really see over there, but lots of greenery. I believe we're a little bit west of Birmingham, so across the street, the house is in phenomenal shape. All these brick houses. There's an adorable little dog saying hi, or an adorable big dog. Next door, it all looks very owner-occupied. All right, let's do a little property tour here, and we'll get information on the property as we go. So you can kind of even see quite a few, good-sized yards back there. We'll make our way around to the porch. So we've got brick, and there is still work to be done on this house. This was going to be flipped retail. Here's a little view from the front yard. So this was going to go retail, and they are shifting to making an investment property. All right, so you can see some work is still going to be done. All right, so we got the living space.
Yep, this is the living room, and the fireplace, we're going to paint it a white, just brighten up the room.
Oh, cool.
And the floors are in great shape.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong with these floors. This is hardwood. It's not going anywhere.
Okay.
And then this direction is the dining room, right here.
Oh, okay.
And then, of course, these doors are getting painted too. That's why they're off.
Gotcha.
And this little room,
there's the kitchen. We'll go back to
I don't
that.
know what you want to call it.
Kind of like a bonus room.
Yeah, looking for it's over there. This we're going to paint white, just to brighten it up.
Oh, there we go.
We're going to paint it white just to brighten it up. And this was not the garage, because you see this brick inside.
Yeah.
This,
oh yeah.
This was.
It was added
built this way. No, it was built this way.
Oh, okay.
And
I like the layout so far.
So we're going to paint this and paint that too.
Okay.
Just to brighten it up. And that takes you to the side door by the carport.
Okay.
And then
I'll stick my head out there.
Oh, yeah. Show the whole backyard. Looking where the backyard goes to. Just a big lot to get.
Oh, wow. How big is this lot total?
Almost an acre.
Almost an acre.
0.8
Wow.
or 0.9. And we're fixing this stuff still, and we're gonna, this needs to be fixed and everything. But
so is this yard fenced in, or is that all the neighbors' fences? So the whole thing's fenced in. Wow.
Yeah, big lot. Huh?
From previous properties I've shown everyone, I know everyone loves a good yard. So if you're a yard person, this is the yard.
South, you get bigger
lots of yard.
If they're a quarter of an acre or a third of an acre.
So one thing I've noticed with all the yards of all the other houses, all the yards are very clean. I would definitely, this seems like a B plus-ish type area. Yeah. Very desirable. Yeah, I like this space a lot.
What I think.
All right, let's turn around.
Steel carport, and it has two driveways. You'll see when you go outside on the other side.
Okay. Oh, there's a driveway on the other side too? Oh, cool.
Yeah. And this
options.
This was bookcases built in, and we took them out. It just
okay.
Good. And then this brings you to the kitchen. I'm sorry, I'm going to figure out where the light is. Here we go. Great.
And you said all these cabinets are new.
They're almost new. Look at them. I mean, look at the shape they're in. I mean, so we're leaving these.
Okay.
But we're putting granite
really nice.
top on and a tile backsplash.
Okay, so granite countertop, tile backsplash. I've been on a plane all day.
And these.
So obviously there's gonna be work done here.
Almost new. Look at this.
Yeah, stainless steel.
Staying. There's no reason to even move those out.
This is great.
Yeah. And then this goes to the bathroom.
Okay. What's this? Closet?
That goes to downstairs.
Oh, that's the basement. Okay.
This is one bathroom that's in the works.
Perfect. We won't tell the camera what that's for. I have to pee. Does the whole tub come out, or does it get saran, or is it saran? Does it stay pink?
You know, I would love to leave it pink because it's such a classy color. But we'll put a surround in here.
Okay.
And if we paint this, it'll end up peeling no matter what, 4
Yeah.
or 5 years.
Yeah.
But when we do peel, if we do paint it, it would be acid wash paint. If we have
Okay.
to acid wash it, and it's a 2-day process. You can't have anybody in the immediate area because it gets into your lungs.
Yeah, we just did that on one of our
So
properties.
we're very careful with it, but I love that. But this hallway used to go through to another room,
Okay.
and we closed it off, and I'll show you why.
Okay.
This paneling we're leaving, and we're not painting it because this is nice paneling.
Okay.
If it's the cheaper paneling, we usually paint it, but
Mm-hmm.
when it's this good, we leave it.
Okay.
Because it's kind of.
Is this kind of paneling standard for Alabama? Or is that like a...
No, it's an upgrade.
Oh, it's upgrade.
Yeah,
Okay.
That's what we paint over.
Okay.
Does that make
Oh,
sense?
yeah. That's the part we saw
Yeah,
earlier.
look at these doors. They're really neat.
Yeah, those are
too.
great doors.
And it just closes off the.
So you get to shove the kids over there and let them make all their noise.
Yeah. And then over here is, and until we're doing touch up and things. And then here is another bedroom. And that's that closet that we built from the other side that used to be walked through.
Oh, okay.
And it didn't need to be there.
Oh, gotcha.
And so that's the closet. And this room stays.
Okay.
You can tell by the paneling.
Okay.
And this is why we leave this one.
Okay.
And stuff. A closet. And then this is the other bathroom. And the tub is getting painted in here because it needs to be painted. Or it might need to be removed. I don't remember. This will come out.
Okay.
A lot of times it depends on what kind of a tub it is. If it's plastic, we'll take them out. But if it's cast iron, we'll leave them in.
Okay.
But we've already done demo. We got to put a new vanity in here. There was a medicine cabinet there, so we got to finish that wall up. And then in here is one bedroom, and over here is another.
Oh, these are good sized bedrooms.
Yeah. And
Do you guys change out old ceiling
Yep.
fans and stuff? Okay.
And yeah, they're good size. But look at the floors. They're
They're
really
great.
in good shape. See the scratch here. We can get those out when we buff them and everything. And then here, this one, I guess, is more of the master. There's 2 big closets.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. So this is the house you said the master does not have its own bathroom, which is the major downside of this house. You can see out to
For
the
rentals, it
back.
really doesn't matter most of the time.
Yeah.
But you know, what it is.
So it's just the 2 bathrooms total? Like this is the only,
Yeah.
like the 2 bedrooms will share this one bath?
Right.
Okay.
Or the 3.
Or 3?
Well, that one, who knows? I mean,
Okay.
I hate to say because you don't know what people will do. I mean, and the reason we closed that hallway off,
Mm-hmm.
because there's a bathroom right next to it,
Right.
is to put a closet there and not make the room smaller
Gotcha.
by adding a bathroom.
And what do you think you're gonna sell this one for? Range and then like potential rents?
Well, the rents here, because of the neighborhood and this area, you've driven through to
It's
see what it
I
is.
like this area.
It's going to be between 1,500 to 1,600 also.
Okay.
Easily. And sell,
Ballpark. Disclaimer: this price that gets said may not be the actual price. Give or take. Upper 100s or low upper hundreds.
Yeah, 170 to 180 range.
Okay, so 170 to 180, and then 15 to 16 on the rent.
Now, retail, to be honest with you, this would probably sell for about 195 to 205.
Okay, so potential market value 195 to 205, selling investor 170 to 180. See, you sell a turnkey with some equity in it. Sure.
Well,
Easy.
These will easily appraise for 195, I think, without doubt.
Perfect.
Just from what I believe, but because we're doing a rental on it, we have to make sure that the owners can get, you know, that they're making some investment. If I sell somebody for 190 and they're trying to put a 10 or 1500. I mean, it's still a return, but it's not as good as others. So
Yeah.
we're just trying to be fair with it.
And this is wheelchair accessible if
Yeah, I was
need
going
be.
to tear this down too, but I decided to leave because it's built so well.
Yeah, it is nice.
I'll take you around here and show you this area.
Whee!
This is the other driveway.
Oh, okay. That's pretty handy, actually.
Yeah, it is. The lots are so big that they're not. So,
Oh, wow, and multiple cars could park here.
yeah, exactly.
And this one has a full unfinished basement, correct? Okay. I'm a weenie, so the camera's not going down to the basement.
That's fine. But you
That's
can-
where my grand tour stops.
We've been demoing, as you can see. This was from the bathrooms and all over. We just
Yeah.
had to haul it off. And it just has a little cover for down sitting
Yeah.
down here. So that's the house.
Perfect.
Look, I mean, it's got a nice lot too, doesn't it?
Oh, it's huge.
It's not as big as the other one in Pinson.
Yeah. I think I like this one better, though.
It's a nice lot. Well, then we should sell it for 200
Shh.
or 190.
You didn't hear that. Don't blame me if the price just went up.